24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. I welcome you on behalf of the Snowman publishers. In this video, we will cover the topic of first aid and safety drills from chapter 10 of Science Grade 5. The video will cover first aid, shifting a person to the hospital, safety drills. So let's get started with the teaching plan. Greet the students with a smile and ask them how they are. Then start introducing the lesson with a quick recap of what the students already know. Remember to always start building a new lesson upon the previous knowledge of the students. Hence, you may ask them, have they experienced getting a cut or a fracture? What should they do if they or someone near them gets hurt? Keep connecting their answers with new questions so that a foundation for the lesson is developed. And keep writing their responses on the board. With the help of the textbook, explain to the students what first aid is and when it is given. You can also show to them the dressing procedure by role-playing it with students. In this way, a live demonstration can be given to the students about how to dress a wound. Then, with the help of the textbook, tell them what to do if a person gets seriously injured. You can also write the steps on the board. Show to the students pictures of the ambulance and its interior and rescue teams. If a multimedia is available, you can show to the students an educational video of an accident and what to do in such a case. With the help of the textbook, tell the students what safety drills are and why they are needed. Tell them about natural disasters like earthquakes and floods. Also tell them about man-made disasters like a fire breakout. Tell them the steps they should follow in case of disaster. Show them pictures of the drills. If a multimedia is available, you can show to the students videos of the drills. Practice the drills with the students in the classroom. With the help of the students, quickly recap the lesson. Try to make the student participation more. For homework, you can ask the students to prepare charts on the safety drills in case of an earthquake or a flood. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your listening. Allah Hafiz.